Hi everyone, I'm reviewing this PHOEBE hair dryer. So this is the AX-60101 or I. Is that an I? Yeah. Okay. So I just barely opened it up. And I'm going to take it out and try it out on my hair because my hair is wet. As you can see, it's wet right now, so I need to dry it. And it comes with this little attachment here. Oh, I love the way it looks. Look at that sparkle. It's so nice. So it has this little buttons here. I'm sure that's maybe the on-off button. I don't know. But I'm going to give it a try. I like the grip too. That's what the front looks like. And the back. And the side. Alright, so let me give this a try. Alright, so I'm going to use it with the attachment on, as you can see. So this was the on-off button here. And this is for, like, if you want it cool, that's cool right there. I can feel it. And then there's warm. See, it's warm. And then when you push it down again, that's hot. Alright, so let's do my hair now. Alright, so I finished using it and my hair is pretty dry now and I love it. It dried it up like really quick. So I noticed that their settings are, this is if you want it faster or slower, and this one's like the heat settings, this one's cold air, and this one's warm and then hot on the bottom when you switch it down. So that's the off switch there, and like I said, if you put it there, it's, you know, slow, and it's fast. So that's pretty neat. If you guys want to order one of these, the link is down in the description. This is just great. I love this. Definitely going to be using this like when I'm in a hurry and I have to get my hair dried pretty fast. This one works better than my old hair dryer. My old hair dryer took forever and a day to dry my hair. This did it within just a few minutes. I love it. Alright guys, link is down in the description. It is called PHOEBE. This is a great brand. Love it.